Guys, so it's been a minute since I have uploaded a video on my channel. So let's do a quick reading for you all and let's see what all you need to know right now. What is the energy around you and what all you need to know. Let's get into it. Okay, so the very first card we have is the Queen of Wands and the Five of Wands in reverse. So if you're facing a misconception about yourself, so like either few people, group of people, somebody that you know, somebody closest to you, or even if it's like a mother figure in your life, but if they are assuming and perceiving you in a way which is not really the truth. So basically, if somebody is like spreading misinformation about you, or if people are misunderstanding you, or if you feel like people just don't get me and people are talking shit about me but that's not me, or if you feel like but why are they always fighting with me when I don't even do anything, like why are like people, or why is she always shouting on me, why is my mother or the people are always like fighting with me even when I do nothing. So you're advised here to like let go, surrender to the divine. At the same time, be confident, be so rooted in self love and self confidence that nobody can break your character in your own eyes. Now, what do I mean by that? If people are coming in saying that, okay, but you are this, but deep down you know that you're not that person. Deep down you know that you're somebody different. Do not let other people's opinion hold you back. Do not let other people's opinion tear your self confidence. That is the message coming up here. Your confidence and your courage will decide how you shut up these people's mouth, and eventually they will understand. Eventually, people will get to know the real you. But right now it's time to like be confident, believe in yourself, and do not let anybody tell you who you are when you know who you are. So it's your responsibility to not let other people's opinion change your perspective about yourself in your eyes. Listen to that again. It is your responsibility to not let other people's opinion change your perspective in your own eyes. That's your responsibility. Even if it means to be alone for a while, even if it means to be by yourself, even if it means that you will not have people around you, but this eventually will create a space and environment for yourself where you will grow as a person and not restrict yourself according to people's needs, people's wants, and what people are saying about you, what people have to say about you. Okay, two things: either some of you already took your stand, you had a fight with somebody, or you chose to like not have a fight with somebody and you just like ran away, chose your peace, and now you're like, okay, but I'm alone. And some of you are like, it's okay if I'm alone, doesn't matter, I'm fine with it. If that's your energy, sorry. So you are on the right path. That's what I have to tell you. If you recently did that, just know that you are on the right path, and nobody can share your confidence if you are standing up for yourself. Now, situation number two, I feel like in the upcoming time, you are going to come in like sudden realization or sudden awareness where you'll feel like, I cannot take this any longer and I have to like take my stand. I have to stand up for myself. And even if it means that I'll have to be alone for a while, doesn't matter what chaos it is going to cause, I'm still going to stand up for myself and I'm going to take my stand. And if you're thinking about that, and after making a decision, if you feel like, okay, I messed up, maybe you did not mess up, and this is your confirmation, this is your sign that if you're taking your stand, and after taking your stand, if you have to be lonely and alone, just know that that's God's protection from a lot of evil eyes, from a lot of evil and devilish people that you don't even know would have caused you a lot of harm in the future. Also know that when God will remove certain people from your life, they will replace those people with a lot of good energy, a lot of loving people, a lot of energy which will like fill your cup and not empty you all the time. Just look at my cat. She's sleeping. If that makes you happy, do it. Whatever makes you happy, do it. If watching babies and pets on the internet makes you happy, do it. Some of you like that, and that's why I did that. So if you do, go watch it. If you're happy dancing, singing, just eating all day and just sleeping, just watching something and then sleeping, do it for a while. Whenever you feel like, okay, but if I cut this person off of my life, I will be left with nobody to hang out with. Do the things that makes you happy after cutting off that person. Eventually you will meet a good person or good people in your life who will make you happy, just the way you want to be happy. Okay? Upcoming time, I do see that even when you left a situation, left a person, left a chaotic situation, you took your stand, you stood up for yourself. After that, you are just going to you're going to become your worst critic. You're going to be like, did I make the wrong decision? Did I make the wrong choice? Was I the villain? Is taking my stand and choosing myself and choosing my happiness really a bad thing? Because I'll tell you something about empaths. I'll tell you something about people who always give. I'll tell you something about people who are people pleasers. Whenever they take stand for themselves, whenever they're standing for themselves, they feel guilty because they feel like doing for others, listening to others, like doing everything and revolving their life around people is the only right way. But when they do it for themselves, when they take stand for themselves, they feel like they have done something wrong. They feel guilty for it. So make sure whenever you feel guilty for taking your stand, you are not overly thinking and criticizing yourself, because you have done nothing wrong. You have done nothing wrong. Standing up for yourself, taking your stand can never be wrong. Can never freaking be wrong. And if you feel like, okay, but I feel bad because I should have been with that person. I shouldn't have raised my voice. I shouldn't have stood up for myself because that person is my mother or a fatherly figure. I don't know why in a lot of my readings something about mother figure and parents are coming up so strongly. Make sure you're only taking this if this resonates with you, otherwise just like let it go, right? If you feel like you've done something wrong by just like standing up for yourself, just know that if you don't stand up for yourself, nobody ever will. Nobody ever will. So by not standing up for yourself and by letting other people take advantage of you, you are creating bad karma. Because not protecting yourself and not doing good for yourself is also creating bad karma, which you are going to pay for eventually, either for your body, either for your health, or either for your mental health. Financially, if that's the case, you are always going to pay. It's currently 2112 on my laptop. Eventually you will always have to pay for the things that you slide by, when you know that you shouldn't be doing that, when you know that you should have been standing up for yourself, when you know that you shouldn't let people disrespect you. And if you still want to do that, continue doing that. Eventually you'll regret that. Eventually you'll just regret the choices that you're making of letting other people take advantage of you, right? Let's see more. I'm damn freaking sure if I like pull out this deck and pull out any card, everything that I just said will be validated by the spirit. But let's not do that. Oh my god, we literally have the death coming out. That's intense. The magician coming out as well. 4 of Wands at the bottom. Something majorly is ending in your life, and this is your inner self. Maybe you're going through an ego death very, very freaking soon. And this is going to happen because of, okay, 2 things. Either you are going to cast an ego death in somebody else because of you taking stand for yourself. So the moment you take your Tower as a split the deck, this is freaking intense. Listen, if it's a mother figure or if it's a woman in your life who just speaks anything, whatever comes in her mouth, she speaks literally anything about you, does not even think ki aap kya sochoge, does not even think that how will it affect you. Just know that when you take your stand in the upcoming time, whenever you take your stand, you are going to cast a huge ego death in this person's life. Huge ego death. which can also mean that she can cut you off of her life. Let her. Or do whatever she wants, because of her own energy, she is going to manifest a huge blockage in her own finances, in her own life. And you are not doing this. You are not doing anything evil to somebody else. This is divines. This is how God works. This is exactly how the universe works. This is exactly how the universe works. Whenever we do something ugly to other people, something so dear to us is taken away from us, so that we realize what we've done. So very soon you are causing an ego death to somebody who just speaks anything. Doesn't have to be a woman in gender, but like somebody who just like speaks arrogantly, mindlessly about you. Whoever this lady is, she is just going to manifest an ego death. I was gonna say evil spirit. So maybe this person is going to attract an evil spirit into her own life because of her own mouth. And you just have to like, that's why the spirit is literally like cutting you off of her life so that you stay protected, because you don't deserve this. You don't have to do anything to protect her. That's not your freaking responsibility. Just take care of yourself, protect yourself, love yourself. It is not your responsibility. It is not your freaking job to protect, to guide, or to even make this person aware of what can happen to her if she is not behaving right. It's not your freaking responsibility. What your responsibility is to protect yourself, to distance yourself from people, places, and situations who are not serving you. Right? Oh my god, you made me angry. Why are you not standing up for yourself? The Tower, again, as I split the deck. So I think, yeah, that's all that I have for you guys for this reading. If you want to connect with me on one-on-one sessions, okay, so disclaimer, I don't know for how long this is going to be like that, but I don't feel like connecting with people on one-on-one sessions because I'm going through a lot in my personal life. So I just don't have the energy and time to process my own life at the same time, like help you guys and connect with you. I also had a leg injury recently. That's why I had to cancel all the appointments. So if you want to connect with me for one-on-one sessions, you can DM me, or you can book from the website, but my timings are only from like 4 p.m. to 5 p.m. for like an hour. I will change and shift that accordingly. So let me know what time is like best suited for you. I'll let you know mine as well. But for a while, I'll just like close off the personal readings as much as I can. But I'll try my best to even like come forward and help you all. But yeah, if you still want to be there, if you still want a session with me, you can connect with me on Instagram. You can talk to me. Either me or my team will like get in touch with you and we can like figure out something. So yeah, but the only way to book with me is through the Instagram and through the link of my website. Nothing from nowhere else, right? So also I will start posting a lot of my journey onto my personal YouTube and Instagram account. So the link for everything is also in the description box below. I'll talk about my journey, I'll talk about me in general. I will also post like vlogs and just my journey in general and everything about me, like how I am where I am in my life right now. So if you are interested, go subscribe there as well. The link will be in the description box below. And I'm sending you so much love, so much light. We'll see you guys in the next one. Don't forget to like, subscribe. Bye.